You answer a call and something doesn't sound right. Maybe the sound cut off or the detail you heard doesn't match what you remember. In this lesson, you'll learn how to fix a misunderstanding quickly and calmly without panicking and trying to find a specific word. I'm going to tell you the story of an interaction. Don't worry about the text yet, just listen to the story. Then I'll teach you the useful lines from the story, and finally, we'll practice speaking those lines together. Here's our story. My phone rings while I'm reading a message, so I pick it up. The caller starts by checking the sound, and I confirm I can hear them. Then they ask, I'm checking the meeting time. It's at 3, right? I pause because that doesn't match my calendar. I say, sorry, the line cut. Can you repeat that? They say it again, and I ask calmly, is that correct? I thought the project meeting was later. They realize their mistake and explain, what I meant was the team check-in. Now it makes sense. I say, I got it now. Thanks for the update. The call ends and the confusion is gone. Let's look at the lines that help you stay calm and in control when the call isn't fully clear. It could be either because of the sound problem or a mistake with the information. If the sound breaks or maybe you miss a word, say, sorry, the line cut. This is useful because you can blame the technology, not the person speaking, which keeps the conversation friendly. You can also use the phrase, I lost you for a second. Then, to get the information back, without losing focus, you can ask, can you repeat that? You can soften it a bit by saying, could you repeat that for me? When a detail doesn't match what we know, ask, is that correct? This is a nice, calm way to confirm the final detail. If you use the phrase, just checking, is that right? It is a kind of lighter option. If the other person realizes they made a mistake in speaking, they will naturally use what I meant was. This helps you both easily return to the correct information. Another simple version is, let me correct that. Finally, use got it now when everything is clear again and the problem has been solved. This confirms that you are ready to move on. A slightly more formal version would be, that's clear now, or that's clear for me. Now, let's read the dialogue lines from our story so you can already start using them in daily conversation. Hi, can you hear me? Yes, I can. I'm checking the meeting time. Is it at 3? Sorry, the line cut. Can you repeat that? Sure. The meeting is at 3. Is that correct? I thought the project meeting was later. What I meant was the team check-in. Got it now. Thanks for the update. When you're handling all sorts of glitches, it requires you sometimes to think fast. If you're ready to test your speed for problem-solving moments, the Member Plus tier has a new interactive marathon. It's the closest thing to real-life speaking partner. You can grab the pack below in the description. Really good. Now let's practice speaking the lines from the story. Hi, can you hear me? Yes, I can. I'm checking the meeting time. Is it at 3? Sorry, the line cut. Can you repeat that? Sure. The meeting is at 3. Is that correct? I thought the project meeting was later. What I meant was the team check-in. Got it now. Thanks for the update. Great practice. Remember, focus on the reflex using these words and sentences, and not any specific grammar rule or sentence structure. I'll see you in the lesson coming up.